How to share an account on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share an account on Twitter. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Twitter uh, and then go here, click this one, and then search for any account you want to share, like like this account. Click on it and then just click these 3 points here, and now click share. And as you see now, you can share it on WhatsApp, Discord, or anything you want. And that's how share an account on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.